In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add navigation buttons in Looker Studio reports. Whether you're looking to enhance user experience or simply direct viewers smoothly through your content, adding navigation buttons can be a game changer. We'll explore a straightforward method using the built-in button controls to get you started efficiently. First up, ensure you're in edit mode within your Looker Studio report. Once you're ready, look up to the top toolbar where you'll see the option to add a control. Click on it and then select Button from the drop-down menu. This initiates the process of embedding a button into your report. Once you've selected your button, you'll notice a setup panel that appears. This is where you'll configure how you'd like your button to behave. Start by deciding on the action type. You have a few options here. The navigation action can link to another page in your report or an external URL of your choice. Alternatively, if you're looking to allow viewers to perform tasks within your report, you might choose Report Actions. These include functionalities such as downloading the report, resetting filters, or sharing with others. Lastly, there's the Filter action, perfect for applying preset filters to refine the data viewers see. If you're leaning towards creating navigation buttons, you have additional choices to make. First, decide if you want a static link or a dynamic link. A static link is straightforward. It directs users to a fixed URL or a designated page within your report. On the other hand, a dynamic link offers a more flexible approach, as it changes based on a particular dimension you've selected, such as a country or product category. This can be particularly useful if your report content varies based on user selections. After determining your link type, it's time to insert it. Choose the Insert Link option, then type in your target. This could be a URL if you're directing users outside of Looker Studio, or a report page name if staying internal. Don't forget to decide whether you want this link to open in a new tab for convenience. Once everything looks good, press Apply to save your settings. To ensure your button both looks good and fits seamlessly into your report's design, head over to the Style panel. Here you'll find controls to adjust various visual aspects of your button. Tweak the font settings by selecting the size, color, and family that best suit your report's theme. Don't forget about the background and border. You can customize their color, radius, opacity, and even add a shadow for that extra touch of elegance. By aligning the visual styling with your brand aesthetics, you can maintain a cohesive and professional appearance across your report. And there you have it, a simple yet effective method to elevate your Looker Studio reports with fully functional navigation buttons, enhancing the overall user experience. Thank you for joining today, and happy reporting.